Dear students, physics second year, topic name is equivalent capacitance in each combination. There are two types of combination. First one, series combination of capacitors. Number two, parallel combination of capacitors. We will discuss one by one. First, series combination. Here, number of capacitors are connected in series combination. Each capacitor charge is same. Here charge is same. What is different? Potential difference is different of each capacitor. Charge. First plate charge is positive. Second plate charge is negative. The charge is same on each capacitor. So these capacitors ends are connected to the battery. V is the potential difference across the combination of capacitors. Let V1, V2, V3 be the potential difference across the capacitors respectively as the capacitors are connected in series. The charge Q on all capacitors is same but potential difference V across each capacitor is different. Now come to the diagram. Your V1, V2, V3 be the potential difference across each capacitor. First capacitor potential difference is V1, second capacitor potential difference is V2, third capacitor potential difference is V3, nth capacitor potential difference is Vn. They are connected in which combination? Series combination. In series combination, the charge on each capacitor is same. Charge is same beta. Charge is same. But what is different? Potential difference is different. Charge is same and potential difference is different across each capacitor. Now capacitors are connected in series combination. So charge is same kada. Q is equal to Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3 dash 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 Qn. So potential difference is different na. V is equal to, add it, V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus so on, Vn. Now this is the potential difference. It is different, so you can add to each other. Capacitance formula, capacitance of a capacitor formula C is equal to Q by V. దీనిలో ఏది డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది? పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెన్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దీని వాల్యూ తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్? పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద V వాల్యూ. V is equal to, V right in the place of C, C right in the place of V. V is equal to Q by C. Now V1, potential difference of first capacitor by use of this formula V1 Q by C1, V2 Q by C2, V3 Q by C3. Here charge is same but what is different? Potential difference across each capacitor is different. From equation 1 beta, but V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on plus Vn. This is the equation 1. V plus V value substitute. What is the V value, sir? Q by C. V1 value Q by C1. V2 value Q by C2. V3 value Q by C3. Now here Q is common. Q is common taking 2. Q into 1 by C. That is equal to Q common taking 2. 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So Q gets cancelled. Cancelled to what is remaining? 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Suppose this formula we are using when 3 capacitors are connected in series combination. Suppose for n capacitors 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus so on plus 1 by Cn because of n capacitors are connected. So just for change the formula. Next, second combination, parallel combination of capacitors. Let Q1, Q2, Q3 be the charges on the capacitors respectively as the capacitors are connected in parallel. The potential difference across each capacitor is same but charge on all capacitors is different. Now you can observe the diagram beta. This is the diagram. How many capacitors are connected? 3 capacitors are connected. In which combination? Parallel combination. these three capacitors are connected to the battery. All the capacitors of one end is connected to positive terminal of the battery. All the terminals of all the capacitors of the second plate connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So V is the potential difference across each capacitor, and V is the potential difference across the combination. Here potential difference is same beta. Potential difference is same. But what is different, sir? Charge on each capacitor is different. Charge on each capacitor is different. Plus Q1 minus Q1 plus Q2 minus Q2 plus Q3 minus Q3. Charge emo different. What is same? Potential difference is same. V is same. Potential difference is same. But what is different? Charge is different. This is different. Now, capacitors are connected in parallel. Formula. Here, same gara, potential difference same gara. V is equal to V1 is equal to V3, V2 is equal to V3 dash 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 Vn. And a number of capacitors are connected in parallel. At the time, write down Vn. Q is equal to, charge is different gara, you can add to each other. Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus dash 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 Qn. Q is the charge on each capacitor. Q1 is the charge of the first capacitor. Q2 is the charge of the second capacitor. Q3 is the charge of the third capacitor. Plus dash dash dash. Qn is the charge of the nth capacitor. Capacitance C is equal to Q by V. In this, what is different, that we have to choose it. Here, your V is same, Q is different. So you can select the Q. From this formula too, you can select the Q. Q is equal to C multiply with V. Q is equal to CV. Q1 C1V. Because of potential difference is same. Q1 is equal to C1V. Q2 is equal to C2V. Q3 is equal to C3V. Here potential difference is same. That's why don't write 1, 2, 3. Q1 C1V. Q2 C2V, Q3, C3V. From equation 1, this is equation 1 beta. Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus so on plus Qn. మనకు కావాల్సింది ఇక్కడ 3 కెపాసిటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మనం తీసుకున్నది ఇదే, ఇక్కడ వరకే తీసుకోవాలా. Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Q ప్లేస్ లో Q వాల్యూ CV సబ్స్టిట్యూట్. Q1 ప్లేస్ లో Q1 వాల్యూ, Q2 place Q2 value, Q3 place Q3 value substitute. Substitute to CV is equal to Q1 C1V, Q2 plus Q2 C2V plus Q3 C3V. In this, what is common? V is common. V common taking to V into C. That is equal to V common taking to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So V gets cancelled to C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Only 3 capacitors are connected in parallel combination. At the time you will get this formula. C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Suppose n capacitors are connected in parallel combination. At the time use this formula. C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus dash 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 plus Cn. Thank you. Dear students, today we are discussing physics second year. Topic is the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Now you can observe the diagram. How many capacitors are there? 2 capacitors beta. Your first capacitor, second capacitor. First capacitor charge is positive, second capacitor charge is negative. E means electric field. Electric field is creates between the 2 parallel plates. The distance between 2 parallel plates is D. Area of each capacitor is A plus sigma. This is surface charge density of each plate, positive, negative. Now come to the topic. Let us consider 2 parallel plates, each of area A having charge plus Q and minus Q respectively. They are separated by a distance D. Now here you can observe the diagram. 2 parallel plates. Each of area is A. Each capacitor area is A. Now plus q is the positive charge of first plate, minus q is the negative charge of the second plate. The two parallel plates are separated by a distance d. The surface charge density of each plate. First plate, surface charge density of each plate, sigma is equal to q by a. Now you can take the electric field due to plate 1, that is E1. E1 is equal to formula sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Here the surface of charge density of each plate, formula sigma is equal to q by a. Electric field due to plate 1, E1 is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Same, plate 1 and plate 2 having of same electric field, plate 1 and plate 2. The electric field due to plate 1 E1 is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and electric field due to plate 2 E2 is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Both are acting in the same direction. Hence the net electric field inside the capacitor, your net electric field inside of the capacitor E is equal to, inside it is acting due to the plate 1 and plate 2, E is equal to E1 plus E2. E1 value sigma by 2 epsilon naught, E2 value sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Substitute here E1 plus E2. So sigma plus sigma 2 sigma. Here LCM common, 2 epsilon naught అనేది కామన్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో 2 epsilon naught is common. Sigma plus sigma 2 sigma, 2 cancel, get sigma by epsilon naught. Now here sigma means surface charge density. The surface charge density formula sigma is equal to q by a. This is formula sigma is equal to q by a. Substitute here q by a, substitute q by a into epsilon naught. So q by a epsilon naught. Potential difference between the plates. So this is formula V is equal to ED. V is equal to E multiply with D. So V is equal to ED. V means potential difference between the two plates. At the time only charges are transferred. V is equal to ED. V is equal to E. E place E value substitute. What is the E value? Q by A epsilon naught. E place lo Q by A epsilon naught into D. Now last, the capacitance of capacitor, formula C is equal to Q by V. Q ante charge, V means potential difference. So V place V value substitute ikkada denominator place lo substitute this value. V is equal to QD by A epsilon naught. QQ gets cancelled, denominator value taken go to numerator, so it is reverse. C is equal to epsilon naught A, otherwise A epsilon naught by D. Thank you.